This video is to educate you on the Consumer Protection Division with the Attorney General's Office. If you haven't been following our journey, my name is Jen. My family of 3 plus 2 dogs sold our home more than a year ago, and we've been living in a camper ever since, which means a truck is really freaking important. We were jumping around from campground to campground every season, and we were driving our truck and our camper from Arizona to Colorado, and we broke down somewhere in the middle. We took the truck to the nearest shop, they fixed it, and then we drove away, and less than 60 minutes later, those parts that they just put on exploded. So the truck ends up back at the same shop, and they had it for 8 months. Every time we asked them when the truck was going to be ready, it was next week, next week, next week for 8 months. We finally said, okay, you know what, just release it to us because we know that it's never going to be fixed. We have no faith in that at this point. The shop said, not unless you pay us $8,900 to fix the stuff that they caused to break. I don't know about you, but we don't have $8,900 just sitting in our back pocket ready to go. We asked for an itemized receipt, and the amount of items on there that he ordered for this truck that were not necessary and he never asked us about was insane. We were calling all of the law firms in the area and could not find anybody that wanted to take the case. They would tell us that they had, like, that we had a case, but the dollar amount was so little to these law firms that it wasn't important to them, and the amount that the law firms would charge was so high that it wasn't even worth it. In the meantime, this truck has caused us some financial issues, and we don't have a truck that's readily available to move our home for us. Out of sheer desperation, we started using some out-of-the-box resources, and we contacted the Attorney General's office. We have a Consumer Protection Division that basically prevents consumers from being taken advantage of by companies within their state. On there, you can file a complaint, and I just typed everything out and sent it to them. 4 days after we sent them this complaint, we get a call from the shop saying, we're dropping all the charges, come get your truck. I literally could not believe my ears after going back and forth for 8 months. So if you feel like you're getting taken advantage of by a business in your state, and you feel like no one's listening to you, and you feel like these law firms just are too good for you, and you feel like you just aren't getting anywhere, contact the Attorney General's office. They got a lot of power, and it fixed our situation. I hope it can fix yours too. Drop your questions in the comments and follow for more.